Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing equipment and getting on the ice today. Choose skates that fit snugly. Poorly fitted boots cause pain and bad habits. Once you have skates, wear close-fitting layers and a helmet so you can focus on balance, not cold. Make a reservation for your first 1-2 beginner sessions or public skate. This forces practice. The goal is to feel the blade edge, learn proper stance, and get comfortable moving forward in controlled, short pushes. You now focus on building foundational skills and muscle memory. Start with stance and balance drills off the boards, then on ice, knees bent, hips under shoulders, because a stable center prevents falls. Next, spend time on edges. Trace inside and outside C-cuts slowly to feel the blade bite. This teaches control. Once done, integrate stops and turns. Practice 2-foot and snowplow stops before progressive crossovers. Repetition at low speed isolates technique, so make sure to drill small movements for reliable progress. You finish by planning steady progression and handling setbacks. Increase session length slowly and add formal lessons when basics are consistent. A coach spots subtle errors faster. Record short clips of your practice and review to correct posture and timing, then set weekly goals like 3 focused drills per session. If problems persist, frequent falls or ankle pain, stop and reassess. Check skate fit, tighten or replace padding, and schedule a lesson to fix posture issues. With this loop, you keep improving safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.